Hello, from Tax Nightmares Simplified right here. Are you one of these business owners that goes to their tax preparer and asks the question, how much can I deduct? What is the limit? What is the highest I can deduct? So there is only one answer to that according to the IRS code. You can only deduct expenses in the tax year you are filing that actually occurred for the actual amount, and or you may have to substantiate it with a log, if per se that's a mileage that you want to deduct, or receipts. So you have to be able to substantiate these expenses. It's not expenses that are part of your right side, imaginary side of the brain that you can just manufacture right at the tax preparation. You actually have to go and look at your receipts and see what your expenses are, and give the exact numbers to your tax professional. Now, not all your expenses may be deductible because of certain thresholds and limitations that applies to it. However, if you have net losses, they may carry over to the next tax year. This is a very difficult position for your tax professional that I urge you not to put your tax professional into, because understatement due to unreasonable position on your tax return the tax preparer makes based on the information that they receive from you about your business expenses or income for that sake, is actually resulting in penalty of $1,000 or 50% of the cost that you pay for the preparation of this tax return, whichever is greater. So that's nothing to undermine. That is very serious, and we as professionals take it very serious to ensure that we are claiming your legit actual expense on your tax return. The other penalty is understatement due to a willful and reckless conduct, and it's actually more severe. It's $5,000 or 75%, whichever is greater, of the preparation for this tax return. That penalty would be probably resulting for somebody who never read tax law. You went to somebody who is not accredited. They don't understand what they're doing, because anybody in their right mind in their industry with the correct tax training would not be in that situation. So make sure you don't put your tax professional in a difficult situation, and also protect yourself, because there are also penalty for taxpayers as well. They are for tax professionals, but in the scope of the penalty amount, think if you're paying enough to the tax professional for the amount of work for your business expenses that you ask them to account for you on your behalf.